These are the beauty salons of the reef, and they're often run by a pair of wrasse. These committed cleaners regularly tend to a host of different creatures. They provide a vital service, removing the dead skin and parasites from outside and even inside their clients' bodies. It may seem like a thankless task, but the cleaner fish are getting a good meal out of it. Life on the sheltered side of the reef is tranquil and peaceful. A bobbit, a giant carnivorous worm with jaws as sharp as daggers.